Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed already and hit the bell icon. Today we're gonna learn how to delete an Instagram account. First of all, go to your Instagram application. Then go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Then tap on menu button on the top right corner. There you can see settings, tap on it and then tap on accounts. Scroll down to the bottom, there you can see delete account, tap on it. It will ask you either to deactivate instead of deleting an account. Again tap on delete account and continue deleting the account. Then it will redirect you to their website and ask you the region. There you can see a drop down menu, tap on it and select any region. Enter the account password and then click on delete button. Now you can still log in back within a month. If you changed your mind, the account will be automatically deleted if not logged in within a month. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you face any problems, let us know on the comment section below. And also hit the like button if the video helped you. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon for similar contents.